Alright guys, I'm back, and as you can see here, this thing is very interestingly weighted. There's batteries on the back here, and I guess I still don't know how to charge it. However, I'm guessing the micro SD card goes in here. This is the volume, same as the Oculus. There's a headphone jack there. The power is here. Oh, okay, so the cable that charges it goes in here. Okay. And there's two extra buttons here, and I'm not sure what they do yet, but we will find out eventually, and I will discuss how that works. I am a little disappointed that it only has one remote. I thought this thing came with two, but maybe you can buy a second one. I have no idea. Instructions are there. The batteries for this came together, which is nice. There's a QR code here for anybody who cares about that stuff. Let's see if there's any more QR codes. There's another QR code here for anybody who cares about that stuff. And I'll just take this out real quick, because we will need to charge it. And it's a typical USB to C adapter, whatever they call these new things. And I'm used to USB and micro USBs, and there's always a new one coming out. So I guess this is the same that you get on the Oculus Quest and the Mirage Solo. And it's about the similar length as the Solo. Alright, well, it's also nice that they provide you with one of these to clean your lenses. So that's cool. And yeah, that's all we have for now, and we'll find out how good this is. And I'm hoping it is as good as they say, because they say it's way better than the Quest. So thanks for watching.